Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Jay's channel. I'm doing an oil change. You know, I got it on the jack. This the oil filter that I'm gonna put on it. This the oil right here that I'm gonna put inside. Already done drained it, as you can see. This the bolt that came from out of the drain pan right there. So now this the oil filter is right there. So all I got to do right now is take it off. It's a messy job, so you know you gotta be careful. Real messy, all this oil. See that? Oh. Yeah, I think that's good enough right there. Good enough. All right, I'm gonna just sit this like right there. That's chill. Then I'm gonna put on a new filter. I do slide it right on. All you want it hand tight. That's it. So the next time you do your oil change, there won't be no issue to get it off. Period. That's it. Then I gotta put my the oil pan drain nut back in. It's pretty simple, pretty simple. Put that back in right now. Doing everything with one hand, holding the camera with one. Gotta tighten it back up. Wrench. Ever since 12, I've been doing my own oil change. My dad, he showed me how to do it when I was 12. Ever since then, I like doing oil change. I know how to change radiator fans, brakes. I'm coming up with a channel for all that. Window tints, I know how to do all that. Now all I gotta do is put the oil in.